In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up Gusto Payroll in 2026. If you're setting up payroll for the first time, the process can feel a little intimidating, but Gusto breaks it down into manageable parts. In this walkthrough, I'll guide you through the full setup process so you know exactly what to expect before you run your first payroll. To begin, complete your company profile. This is where you fill out your business information and make sure the company profile setup is fully finished. Take your time here, because this information becomes the foundation for the rest of your payroll account. It's a good idea to double-check everything as you go, so you don't have to come back and fix avoidable mistakes later. Next, verify your business information. At this stage, you'll confirm your business details and complete the business verification process. This step is important because payroll platforms need accurate business records before they can process payments and tax filings properly. After that, add your personal details. If you're the account owner or administrator, enter your information carefully and review it before moving on. Since this profile is tied to the setup and management of payroll, accuracy matters here too. Once that's done, choose a pay schedule. You'll set up how often employees will be paid and review your first planned payday. Make sure the schedule you choose matches how you want payroll to run going forward, because it affects timing, planning, and processing deadlines. The next step is to add your company tax details. Provide the required tax information needed for payroll processing. This part helps ensure payroll taxes can be handled correctly, so it's worth reviewing closely before continuing. Then, add a company bank account. Click Continue next to Add Company Bank Account and connect the account that will fund payroll. Be sure you're using the correct business account, since this is the account Gusto will use for payroll withdrawals. After linking your bank account, sign the required documents. Click Continue next to Sign Documents and complete any payroll authorization forms. These documents are typically necessary to activate payroll services and authorize the platform to act on your instructions. Once everything has been submitted, wait for account review. Gusto will review and verify your payroll setup information. Depending on timing, this may take a little while, so be patient and keep an eye on your account for updates. When the review is complete, you can run your first payroll. This is the point where all your setup work comes together, and you'll move into the actual payroll process inside Gusto. Before processing it, confirm your first payday. Review the scheduled first payday carefully and make any necessary changes. This final check helps you avoid timing issues and ensures employees are paid on the correct date. Thanks for watching.